What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have a super easy and quick one for you today, guys. Just something that I want to make sure that I'm delivering to you guys because I have to do this myself at the moment. One of my reverse lights has blown, okay? Now, I know some cars you can pop the cover off the front, some cars are from the back. I want to quickly take you guys back there, show you exactly how to change it, because the last thing I want to see is a Crown driving around with a lens popped off like an E46 that's damaged, okay? Do not try and access it from the outside. Come with me and I'll show you exactly how to do it. All right, guys, so obviously you open your boot lid. Now you've got all these push pin clips up here. They're super easy to get out. You can use your tool, or you can actually pry your fingers behind and listen. See that? They come out real easy. I'll try and show you what they actually look like. There you go. See the like little, what would you call it, fingers? Yeah, they just kind of push in, right? So you don't have to pull them all off to access it. I've literally just pulled off one there. You pull your carpet forward a little bit, right? That is your reverse light. You don't need to unplug it or anything. You just come in here, give it a little twist. It's gonna be a little bit fidgety. Give me a sec, I've got to use the other hand. Come in here, quarter turn, slide her out, and there she is, okay? And then we just pop it out. It's just like that, okay? Do not try and access it from the front. Please, guys, I don't want to see your crowns damaged. These things are hard enough to get in good condition. Don't make yours bad condition. It's literally one push clip, quarter turn, slide her out, okay? I'm gonna go and get a new one of these, pop it in, and we'll be all good. But that's it for the video today, guys. Super simple, super quick, super easy. Now, a lot of you may already have known how to do that. Some of you may not. I hope it's helped some of you. If you did know, great. If you didn't, I'm glad it helped. Guys, please like, please subscribe. If you want to see more of this stuff, you know, just slap that button. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. See ya.